In this video, we will discuss using the multi-user function on the DS7 touchscreen. Multi-user allows each practitioner to configure their custom settings in one place. Settings will seamlessly be shared with other registered DS7s in the clinic. Note, to use multi-user, the DS7 needs to be registered using the A-dec Plus app, and the chair must be equipped with a universal chair board. To change the active profile, select the profile icon at the top of the screen. A search bar is available to quickly find the desired profile. Tap anywhere on the screen to minimize the keyboard. Then select the desired profile. There will be a brief delay while the profile information syncs settings from your selection. If the profile is active on another device, a pop-up will appear at the top of the screen. To create a new profile, select the plus icon in the top right corner of the menu. Here you can create a new profile, starting with default configurations, or duplicate an existing one. Once the information has been updated, press Done to create the profile. To edit a profile, select the Edit button next to the profile you would like to change. Any changes will automatically be saved. To delete a profile, select Delete at the bottom of the page. Note, active profiles cannot be deleted. Then confirm you would like to delete the profile. Profiles are sorted alphabetically, with favorite profiles pinned at the top. To favorite a profile, select the star to the right of the username. The favorited profile list will be unique on each device in the clinic, allowing for a customized list for each operatory. Profile information updates from the cloud when a profile is made active or when the delivery system is power cycled. Profiles do not receive automatic updates from the cloud while active. This is to prevent changes in one room affecting a user in another room. To update an active profile, press the Sync button at the top right of the menu. The multi-user feature captures profile settings on one device and easily syncs them to other DS7s in the clinic. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.